I thought I'll get it today, but yeah.
Hi mommy. Congratulations.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog from my car. I have no makeup on, but I'm really excited for today. You guys know already by the video title, but it's around, give me 1 second. It's around 1 o'clock now, and in the evening we have something really exciting to pick up. And I'm gonna go get my nails done because my nails are so dirty, and I literally broke my nails because I was cleaning my house for the house tour. And the house is coming next week, so I'm excited for that. Also, today's video is really exciting because I had to wait for 1 year to put this announcement over here because I was not even sure because of Corona. So I'm excited. So let's get our nails done first, and then I'll take you guys with me throughout the day.
3 hours later.
Hi guys, I just got done with my nails. I love my nails. I don't have a makeup on my face to like show you guys like perfectly, but these are so beautiful. These are like the chrome finish light pink kind of nails, and I got it in Nail Ishq today. Alright, it's almost 4 o'clock. It's already 4:05, and I still did not eat my lunch, so I have to go get ready, eat my lunch, and then we'll go to get the car. Hopefully, I have to see whether the papers are all clear, and then we can go get the car. Hi guys, I'm back home and I'm back in my robe. Also, I got my nails done. Look at how pretty they look. I'll try to like focus on them. These are so pretty. These are those light pink colors with chrome, and my face is like peeling so badly because I used a bad chemical peel on my face the other day. Anyways, it's around 5:30 now. Let's get ready so that we can go pick up our ride. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I like to use. I use a simple moisturizer a lot, you guys. I'm almost done. See, I'm almost done. I love it so much. Really good. I really like to use. So I'm going to quickly allow it to like sink it in, and I'm going to use something else on my face, and that is I'm going to use a lip injection. This is from Too Faced. I really like it. I think I have to get my camera. No, I think I have to get my mirror. Yep. Alright, so I'm using the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I really like this one. It kind of gives you that plump without fillers. It stings so bad. I'm in a hurry and I'm doing my makeup so fast that I'm really scared I'm gonna mess it up some or the other way. This is what I like to do for skin prep because I'm doing it in a hurry. I'm not gonna put a lot of things, but let's get like done with really fast makeup. I'm gonna fast forward everything, but I will put all the products that I'm using on the screens and in the description box, so you can check it out if you want to. And if you want me to do like a separate, like, you know, quick 5-10 minutes get ready, let me know. I'll do that. So let's get started with the face. Alright guys, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna touch up the blush and a little bit of setting spray with lipstick once I'm leaving the house. But this is like a pretty much get ready with me. I really love the blush. I did go overboard on blush, I know that, but I really love this blush so much. So yeah, I don't care about it. But yeah, I did try to like conceal this zit, but it's not going. Anyways, you're gonna put a mask. I'm gonna try concealing it one more time. Let's see whether it works. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a round of blush. I'm gonna do a round of makeup fixer and lipstick once I'm leaving. But for now, I'm gonna go quickly change. So I'll take you guys with me. Hi guys, an update. It's around 7 o'clock and it's really too late for us to go pick up the vehicle. So we're postponing it for tomorrow, and I'm so sad that I got ready and I can't go and get the vehicle. But probably tomorrow we'll go around like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, something like that. So yeah, that's the update, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. But yeah, I'm really sad. Yeah, I thought I'll get it today, but yeah, anyways, nice things take time. I'm gonna have a little more patience and wait.
Tomorrow.
Hi, mommy. Mommy, we're getting a new car, mommy. We're gonna go pick up a new car.
Enough today, I've had it now. Enough, you say I'm not around. It's tough.
Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you.
Enough today, I've had it now. Enough, you say I'm not around. It's tough, I know I wasn't there. It's rough admitting I was scared. And now that you're on me, I feel it. You're killing me softly. I need it like no one needed Ali. It's all the same, the same, the same. They said you would not take my hand, and you really couldn't do it. I guess you really couldn't do it. Wasting the day away. Life is rocky, bills they don't stay away. Done with talking, music just let it play. Let it play, let it play. And now you still haunt me. I feel it, you're killing me softly. I need
Hi
it.
guys, we got back home, and yeah, that's the end of the day today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me. And if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Stand